Hello, my name is Nathan Trent from Money Mechanics, and today we're going to talk about the Phillips curve. So, the Phillips curve, it shows the balance between unemployment and inflation. Typically, when there's high unemployment that leads to low inflation, the reason why it is like that is because when there's high unemployment, not many people have jobs, so not many people are spending much, making the inflation low. But when there's very low unemployment, everyone will have jobs, everyone has money, and when people have money, people spend the money. When people spend money, stores go out of stock. When stores go out of stock, they increase their prices. That's what leads to increase in price level, leading to higher inflation at lower points of unemployment. Typically, full employment is around 4 to 5% unemployment and 2 to 3% inflation. That's typically what full employment looks like. Now, shifts in the aggregate demand will usually lead to shifts in the short-run Phillips curve. Let's say there's an increase in aggregate demand. That would move the point from here to probably like around here. At this point, there is less unemployment but higher inflation because people have more money, people are spending more. Now let's say there's a reduction of aggregate demand. This will lead to a recessionary gap. At this point, there is higher unemployment but less inflation because less people have jobs. Now shifts in the Phillips curve can also apply. Let's say there's a leftward shift in the aggregate supply, a reduction of aggregate supply. That usually leads to the Phillips curve shifting outwards like this, leading to higher inflation points at any level of unemployment. This is caused by a reduction of aggregate supply, which is really bad. Or if there's an increase in aggregate supply, there would be a leftward shift in the Phillips curve, leading to lower inflation at any point of unemployment, which is really good, caused by an increase in aggregate supply. The long run Phillips curve just shows what the inflation would be at full employment. And that is everything you need to know about the Phillips curve from me, Nathan Trent from Money Mechanics.